Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A9 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this tablet. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting the same tile again. If you wish to, you can always go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then click on this switcher at the top right corner to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!